Okay, good. Hey guys, this is Andrew Keene from KeeneOnTheMarket.com. This is your Emini oil, euro, and earnings video recap for July 16th, 2012. Today, a very quiet day. We have a bearish Hiromi resistance candle here. Is this another top that needs to be sold? I'm currently short the euro. I'm short S&P 500 futures. I see Moody downgraded several Italian banks right now. I think we test to the downside. So let's look at the 5-minute bar, or actually I usually trade the minis on a 12-minute bar. I did sell some futures this morning to make sure I am in the right interval. Add study. So look at today, very quiet day. We got the low of the day, and we rallied right after the into the European close again. The low of the day around this 1343 level. High of the day 1352.5, 8.5 point range, overlapping bars. Not much to talk about. I still think we tested the downside. I don't think there's enough conviction to the upside. We have earnings in the next 24 hours in Goldman Sachs GS, KO, Knockout, Coca-Cola, CTAS. We also have earnings in MAT, Mattel, and a couple other names. 20% of all the S&P stocks will report earnings this week, which should be important. Let's look at oil today. I trade oil on a 5-minute bar. No trades is above the cloud all day. So oil, strong day above the cloud. I was looking for a short in here. If you could have tested to the downside of the cloud, I would have got short. No trades here. And then we rallied back higher. Oil looked pretty strong up to this 88.40 level. If I look at it on the daily chart, testing this upside resistance at this $89 level, we got up to 88.40. We are making higher highs and higher lows, so we are going a little bit higher. I do think that we will get hit, though. I think the stock market and oil will all continue lower, and the euro. Let's look at the euro real quick. Lower lows, lower highs. A decent pop today, a decent pop on Friday. Do I really think this is a double bottom here? As 121.76. No, I continue to be short the euro. I think it tests down to this 118.74 level. A couple stocks I want to talk about that had earnings in the next 24 hours. KO, Knockout. I did a strategy called a put fly. I bought the 75 and the 70 puts. Sold twice as many as the 72.5 puts. I did this for 22 cents. I'm risking $22 per one lot. I can make $227 per one lot. So I think it sets up for a good risk versus reward setup in KO that we test to the downside. It can maybe get to the 72.5 level. What else did we have? Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs, I think, is stuck in this range, 90 to 100. I use this as an opportunity to sell the front month volatility. I sold the July 95 puts to July 100 calls and bought the August 100 calls, August 95 puts. I don't think Goldman Sachs will make a big move on earnings. This is Andrew Keene from KeeneOnTheMarket.com. That's your ES Mini, oil, euro, and earnings recap for July 16, 2012. Later this week, I will be going over earnings in Win, CMG, Google. Those are big movers. I will have positions on that. Thanks a lot, and have a great day.